Hello intern, welcome to Facebook Marketplace demo video. I hope you guys are safe in this pandemic. Now we will be starting with our demo on how to actually sell products online through Facebook Marketplace. Here you can see I have already opened my Facebook Marketplace. For doing this work, you need a proper working either a broadband connection or a working internet connection for your smartphone in order to work properly without lagging behind, right? One thing which you need to keep in mind is that you don't have to use desktop application for this work because it lags a lot. You won't be able to do a single thing with the help of desktop application. So you just need to focus on this mobile application here, right? Okay, so first thing what you need to do is you need to open this marketplace in your Facebook mobile application. You will be seeing a page like this appearing over here. It shows today's picks, and in this today's picks there are several products, services listed over here. So what you need to do is you need to go on this sell option over here. You need to click on the items page if you are selling a product, and as far as I know, you may be assigned in a garments category, footwear category, or home furnishing category, or even a fashion accessories category for Fashion Premi. So what you need to do is you need to go on this items category over here for creating new listing. After this, you need to add photos. So click on add photos. These are some pics which I already captured, so I will be adding these photos from here. For example, let's add this one, this and this. These three photos are added from this option. Now you need to type a title over here. Let's type printed kurta for an example, right? Let's keep a price of let's suppose $6.99. Okay, now you need to choose a category from here. Go to this section, clothing, shoes and accessories. Go to women's clothing. You need to choose other women's clothing if your category is not visible, right? We will choose other women's clothing here and save it. Don't forget to save it. Okay, right after this, what you need to do is you need to select the condition of the item according to this one. So if you are selling a new item, you will be selecting new. We will be selecting new for this. You don't need to add a size for this because all those things will be added in the description option right here. Okay. As a part of business development associate team at Fashion Premi for Hub Nawab, you will be added in several groups like WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups. So there the descriptions of the catalogs will be shared with you. You just need to copy those descriptions from there and paste it right here in this box. Okay, that's the one thing you can do. Else you can type in here the description of the catalog, what we are going to do here. Like we added printed kurta here, so we will be writing printed kurta, or let's add our brand first, Fashion Premi printed kurta available at best affordable prices. Okay, then what you are going to do is sizes available. Put all the sizes available in this catalog as showed in the groups. L, XL, double XL. Double XL will be written like this, 2XL like, right? After adding the description part, you need to add this product tag. Okay, now what is the product tag? What do you mean by product tags here? While posting in Instagram, we put tags under the image or in the bio section to make it visible to larger audience or a target base. Like you want to display this item, this product in a trending menu, right? We will be adding here like trending kurta, and you need to put a comma here to be selected in this product tags category, right? We will be adding just a tag for an example. You can add several tags based on your choices. Now we will talk about the availability section. If there is only one single piece left, in case, you can select a single item for this, and if there are a bunch left or several pieces are left in the stock, you can select as list as in stock. So we will be keeping this only. Also, you need to keep this one thing in mind. You need to enable this option for offer shipping. You need to click this switch here. If you are using a personal account for Facebook selling or social media selling, then you can enable this switch from here to hide your post from your friends or family or relatives. But I don't want that to happen, so I won't be enabling this switch. Okay, that's it. This is it. This is the complete part over here. Now you need to click on next. After clicking on next, you can see these are my several groups which I have joined earlier. So these are those marketplaces, or you can say the groups where I need sell this item or in order to target a particular customer base, right? So what I would be doing is I will be selecting some of the groups in which I need this post to appear and target my customer base. Okay, now one thing which you need to keep in mind is you need to select only those groups which have highest number of members in it. Like in Surat Wholesale Bazaar, I have 4.5k, like 4,500 members, right? So I will be selecting this. I won't be selecting Bareilly Wholesale Bazaar because it does have only 816 members in it. I'm selecting Fashion Premi powered by Hubnawab because this is my own group, so I just need to post updates over here, right? Okay, now we will be selecting this one, 14.2k members one, and Meerut Wholesale Bazaar with 12.6k members, Lucknow Buy and Sale with 49.7k members. You need to really keep this in mind while selecting the groups, that the more the members, the more are the chances that you will be getting sales on your product. Okay, now as you can see, all these groups have been selected, right? Also, you need to keep this one thing in mind while selecting the groups, that it should relate to your product. Like if you are selling garment or a footwear or any product of your choice, it should relate, the product should relate to the group. Like these are some groups: India Buy and Sale, Meerut Wholesale Bazaar, Surat Wholesale Bazaar, right? If I post this post in let's suppose Parivar Property Lucknow Property, or Flats and Flatmates Noida chapter or whatever. Okay, so there are chances that they won't be seeing your post, or also they can either avoid your post or even not look at them also. So you need to see this, that you don't post in any such groups which are related to properties or flats, flatmates, whatever, because it won't be getting you any sales. You need to keep this thing in mind. Even if that group has more than 20 million members in it, you don't have to post in that group. Okay, the final thing which you need to do is you need to publish it. You just need to click this icon over here which says publish. After clicking your publish icon, you will be seeing this in review over here. Just below my product name, that is printed kurta. You will be seeing this in review thing. You don't need to worry about this, right? Facebook is just verifying that you are not a bot, you are not a machine who is listing a product, right? They will be listing all your posts in all the groups which you have tick marked over there while publishing it. So in order to sell more, you need to list more and more. I would suggest you to use your personal account only. So it is finally published. As I tick marked Meerut Wholesale Bazaar in one of the groups which I needed to publish my post. You can see here I have successfully published printed kurta in it, right? It will appear like this only when you post in a group or a marketplace, right? Okay, one thing you need to keep in your mind while listing the products is you need to list at least 25 to 30 products per day in order to gain some customer views on it, right? Because the more you will drop post over there, bombard post over there, the more viewers you will generate, and more is the chance to get sales also, right? Basically we get sales over Messenger. People will either message you over there or ask for your WhatsApp number. You can give your WhatsApp number without any issues. You can also make a WhatsApp business account if you want to separate your personal WhatsApp to your this office one, right? You can do that with the same number. And for doing that, if you need any help, you can take that from YouTube. There are several videos for that. This was the first demo which you need to do in order to work for the profile of business development associate, right? If you have any questions, you can text me via WhatsApp, email us at info@hubnawab.com to our customer care center.